Hi, I'm Don from EchoMaster. This safety product consists of a rear view mirror with an OEM look and feel with an incorporated 4.3-inch rear view mirror display built behind the glass. So when you place your vehicle into reverse, you'll be able to see your blind spot in your rear view mirror. One of the things that you're going to find in the box is a replacement rear view mirror. This OEM look and feel rear view mirror is going to look almost identical to your factory rear view mirror, just adding in a 4.3-inch high resolution display. In the package, you'll also find this high definition rear view camera. This rear view camera has an ultra low lux rating, which gives it extreme performance in low light conditions. To install this camera on your vehicle, EchoMaster provides two mounting brackets. One mounting bracket to mount on a lip rear facing behind the vehicle, and a second for a no drill installation using your vehicle's license plate bolts to mount the camera conveniently behind the license plate, showing the rear view behind the car without modifying the vehicle at all. Included in the box, two wire harnesses with minimal connections to the vehicle. To hide those pesky wires, EchoMaster's got you covered with this wire track. This wire track will mount from your rear view mirror to your headliner, hiding all of the wires from your rear view mirror down during your installation. If you would like to have more information on this safety product, visit EchoMaster.com.